What is going on, guys? Ben here. Now I'm hopping on the camera right now to record this very quick little video because I just found a really awesome deal online. In this video I am going to show you how to get a brand new Google Home Mini for only 99 cents. So what do you say we jump right into this before the deal is taken down? Alright, so before I begin, I want to give a huge shout out to Heavenly Steals, which is actually the site where I found this little trick on. I'll have a link to this article down below just in case you want to follow the step-by-step instructions for yourself. But I will also be showing you right now exactly how to get this 99-cent Google Home. So let's jump right on into it. Now, as you can see, the first step that you have to do is sign up for a free trial of Spotify. So again, you just click the links right in this article, very easy. Let's press Get Premium, Get Free Spotify. So first you have to create a Spotify account. Now this is where the 99-cent charge comes in, as you're being charged 99 cents for your first 3 months of premium. Now after you do this, you see that the next step is to actually upgrade to the family plan. This is how you actually activate the Google Home deal. As you can see right here, get a Google Home Mini with your premium plan. So let's go ahead and click the link. Again, this is super simple to do. All you have to do is just click a few links. Start my premium for family. Again, you will not be charged the $15 that they say you will, because you're going to cancel it before the charge goes through. Alright, so now that you've done that, you click here to claim your Google Home Mini. Now you pick a color. In this case, I am going to get the charcoal, as I like that color the most. Alright, and confirm purchase. Alright, and just like that, I have a Google Home Mini on my way that I paid $0 for. Now this is the most important step of the process, to not get charged for the actual Spotify account. So now you have to go back to this site. They actually give you a link right here, and you have to cancel your Spotify subscription. Now you can do this simply by clicking the change or cancel button and then pressing cancel premium. Yes, cancel. And as you can see, you no longer have the plan, and at that time family members will lose access to premium. So we have now canceled both our premium account and our family account, which means you will not be charged for anything but the 99-cent charge that just went through. So that is the simple and easy trick to get a brand new Google Home Mini for only 99 cents. Anyway, that's been it for this really short video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button, as this was a really cool trick that I found online. Also, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ben and I make high quality cinematic technology reviews. So if you want, just go around and check out some of my other videos. And if you enjoy those videos, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, as it means a lot to me. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out.